Creating LED grass for a football field involves a combination of technology, design, and installation expertise. Here's a general overview of the process. Conceptualization and Design. 1. Start by conceptualizing the design of the LED grass field. 1. Consider factors such as the size of the field, the type of LEDs to be used, and any specific patterns or animations you want to display. 2. Work with a team of designers, engineers, and technicians to create a detailed plan for the LED grass installation. 2. This plan should include the layout of the LED panels, the wiring infrastructure, and the control system. Selecting LED panels. 1. Choose high-quality LED panels that are durable, weather-resistant, and capable of displaying vibrant colors and animations. 2. Ensure that the LED panels are suitable for outdoor use and can withstand the wear and tear of football games and other events. Installing LED panels. 1. Prepare the football field for the installation of the LED panels. 1. This may involve removing existing turf, leveling the surface, and installing a base layer for the LED panels to sit on. 2. Carefully install the LED panels according to the layout plan. 2. Ensure that the panels are securely attached to the ground and properly aligned to create a seamless display surface. 3. Connect the LED panels to the power supply and test each panel to ensure that it is functioning correctly. Wiring and control system. 1. Establish a wiring infrastructure to connect the LED panels to the control system. 1. This may involve burying cables underground or using overhead wiring depending on the layout of the field. 2. Install a control system that allows you to program and synchronize the LED panels to display specific patterns, animations, or messages. 3. Test the control system to ensure that it is responsive and reliable, and make any necessary adjustments to fine-tune the display. Testing and maintenance. 1. Conduct thorough testing of the LED grass installation to identify any issues or defects. 1. This may involve testing the display quality, brightness levels, and color accuracy. 2. Implement a regular maintenance schedule to keep the LED grass in optimal condition. 2. This may include cleaning the panels, inspecting the wiring, and performing software updates as needed. Safety considerations. 1. Ensure that the LED grass installation complies with safety regulations and standards for outdoor electronic displays. 2. Take precautions to prevent electrical hazards and ensure that the installation is safe for players, spectators, and staff. Creating an LED grass field for football requires careful planning, skilled installation, and ongoing maintenance to ensure a stunning visual display that enhances the game day experience for players and fans alike.